Hello. So I'm going to show you what I did with two of my cuttings from a previous project. Stick around and take a look on how I did this. So today I woke up with an urge to start a new project. I'm going to use these cuttings from one of my projects and see if I can start a smaller project with one of these plastic pots. Let's see. The cutting's rooted, so I'm all set. This should be easy. Yes, I already have roots here. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's possible to see it on camera. And this is the reason why I keep my larger cuttings. I get a new tree. Of course, the cuttings will take a long time to develop. So maybe it's a good idea to use this for like a really small bonsai. That's what I'm going to try to do. Now my question is if I can use both cuttings for something cool. I try not to close the coil. I don't know which word I should use too much, so I can use it for a longer time, a longer period of time. If I put it too tight, it's going to start to bite the trunk of the tree, and this way I'm able to keep it for longer without hurting the tree. I need to rearrange the roots just a little bit. And with this wire, I think that I will be able to redirect the direction. Oh, please remember that English is not my first language. Redirect the direction of the tree. Okay, let's put some Let's fill this with new substrate. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to let it be for one season, maybe two. So let me know what you think. Please drop a line. Have a great week. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. See you next weekend. Bye bye.